Very good morning, friends. This is an important video which would impact day-to-day trade and industry practices in the case of reimbursement of expenditure and GST and income tax TDS impact on the reimbursement of expenditure. We will explain by means of an example so that there is maximum clarity and understanding of this issue, which sometimes creates trouble for the goods or service provider as well as recipient. Say for example, you have hired the services of a C&F agent for bringing the material from the dock to your warehouse or factory. The contract with the C&F agent is that you will pay the C&F agent a certain professional fees for the services rendered by him, and you will reimburse the C&F agent for any actual expenditure incurred by the C&F agent for dock charges, other transportation charges, certain goods in case he has purchased for the purpose of delivery of the goods, and certain other expenditure like customs duty, etc., which are incurred by the C&F agent on actual basis. The question is whether GST should be charged by the C&F agent on this reimbursement of expenditures, and whether income tax TDS would be deducted by you as a principal on such reimbursement of expenditure paid to the C&F agent. So GST is applicable on the supply of goods or services made or agreed to be made for a consideration. It will be charged on the value of supply of goods or services, which is the transaction value under section 15, which also includes any consideration received by the supplier from the recipient for any activity done before or at the time of delivery of the goods or services. If we read these provisions of supply and value of supply, then it might seem that the GST should be applicable on these reimbursement of expenditures also. However, Rule 33 of the CGST rules lays down 3 plus 4, 7 conditions which, in case fulfilled by this supplier of goods or services, in our example the C&F agent, then he would be called as a pure agent in this case, and no GST would be required to be charged on the reimbursement of the expenditure claimed by the C&F agent or any other pure agent. What are these 3 plus 4 conditions? I will explain in simple language so that it is understood and applied in our day-to-day businesses. So first, there has to be a contract between the C&F or pure agent and the principal. Number 2, the amount of reimbursement which is charged by the C&F agent shall be in addition to the services which the C&F agent charges for its own services rendered. Number 3, these charges of reimbursement should be separately disclosed in the invoices, distinct from the professional service charge which the C&F agent or any other pure agent charges. The C&F agent should not intend or use the goods or services which is purchased for the principal. For example, dock charges for his own benefit. He should use it only for the benefit of the principal. He should charge the actual amount of reimbursement for which he has actually incurred. So if he incurs a dock charges of 1,11,223, he should not charge even 1 rupee extra for these reimbursements. We generally take bills of reimbursements which the C&F agent claims to ensure this. However, a very critical criteria is that the pure agent or C&F agent in our example should not hold title to the goods or services for which he is claiming the reimbursements as a pure agent. Now this, friends, is a very important condition which we should take care of. How do you prove that this C&F agent in our example or any other pure agent does not hold the title to the goods or services? For this, let us understand section 194 capital R of Income Tax Act and the clarification by the CBDT by means of circular on reimbursement of expenditure. The CBDT has held that TDS under 194R in this case would not be applicable in case the bills like dock charges bills is in the name of the recipient, right? That is the principal. However, if the bills for which reimbursement is claimed by the C&F agent is in the name of the C&F agent, then TDS under 194 capital R would be required to be deducted by the principal on such reimbursement which is claimed by the C&F agent, even if it is the exact value which the C&F agent might have incurred. Friends, the same analogy may be applied in case of Rule 33 explanation, whereby in case the bill for which the C&F agent or the pure agent is claiming any reimbursement, if these bills are in the name of the principal, only then GST would not be required to be charged and these services would be considered to be as a pure agent by the supplier of the goods or services. In case the bills are in the name of the supplier of the goods or services, that is the C&F agent in our case, then in our legal submission, GST might require to be charged on even the reimbursement, even if all the other 6 conditions 3+3 as per Rule 33 of the CGST rules are complied with. So this is an important condition and we have explained in this video that in case only the bills are in the name of the principal, then only GST would not be applicable and TDS under 194R would not be applicable. However, in case bills are in the name of the C&F agent or the pure agent, then both GST and TDS under 194 capital R under Income Tax Act might be applicable. Thank you for a patient hearing, and do please share this video, like our channel, and please press the bell button and share this video for maximum dissemination of knowledge for the benefit of trade and industry. Thank you very much.